Hello traders, today I want to go by bar analysis of today's session. It's January the 30th, and right from the open we have this compound 34B. It's a winner, and just want to remind you that we're looking at 34Bs are bounced from 34 EMA, which is this gold line, and 89, that would be if it bounced from both of them, then it makes it compound, so it's marked as C, compound 34B. So this was a first trade, was a compound one. Now then we wouldn't take this trade because we had this kind of double resistance here. This wick is huge, so I wouldn't take this one. I may taken this one, but I didn't. It wasn't really, there wasn't enough bars between the last touch of 89 EMA, so I skipped on this one. So price went down there, and it making some support here. So I also didn't take this one because of this double support here. These wicks are huge, so this one wasn't a signal for me. But this one, I didn't take this one, but it was a good signal bar, and it was a compound 34R trade, so this would have been a winner. This is a valid setup. Then price comes down when it makes this wick and this bar. It's a compound 34R trade, so this would have been a winner. And again, our take profit is only 2 bars after the signal bar. So once this one is formed, we have 2 bars, 1, 2, there goes our scalp. Price comes back, retraces, makes another compound 34B. That's a winner as well. Price comes back again, makes this compound 34B trade again, and it's a winner. Now this green shaded area is opening range. It's a first 30 seconds of the opening. It's my opening range, and see how price reacts to this. It reacted here, it reacted here, it reacted here, it reacted here as well. So then price goes outside price was bullish, has bullish movements. It went outside the opening range, so it's kind of a bullish bias right now. It went all the way here, and it made the reversal bar from 34B. This was a trade. I felt like there was still enough room, so it bounced a little bit, but it was a profitable trade, profitable scalp. So it went down, price went down. We can see here that this was 34R trade, and it was a really easy trade. You saw that the price wanted to come back here, but instead it reversed. So it was a 34R trade. It's pierced through 34 EMA, and we then had a compound 34B bullish signal bar, 2 bars, and we're done. We had the signal here, bullish signal here. Now this one was a failure. I thought it was going to continue to go up, but it didn't, so this was a failure. So and then when this bar formed, I didn't take this one, even though it was a valid setup, because it was close to 89 EMA. But when it formed this one, I took this one. I thought it's just going down, further. So this was a good valid setup, and this was good. This was 21 BL. This was a bounce from 21 EMA, which is this red line, but it's also a level. You know, if you see this level, like this pivot point S2 level, it's a bounce from that too. So this was a valid setup. And this one was also a valid setup. This one was 8B, but it's also 8BL, so it's a bounce from 8 EMA, this blue line, and it's also with a level, so L stands for level. So we're bouncing from 8 EMA and from the level. And the last trade was, this one was 34B. We had a high angulation, and yeah, we're looking for 2 bars. Yeah, and remember that I always you can always find these annotated setups on the website. You know, if you go to Bounce Trader annotated setups, it'll get you here. I'm recording these back since November 2022. So it's you can look them. Now we've got 27 screenshots here, and we're approaching end of January. So this will be, you know, I'm gonna post this annotated setups on this page as well. So yeah, it's a good idea for you to come and you know, inspect everything here and see how price behaves. See how true these setups are and how repeatable they are. They occur, you know, every day. They occur multiple times, dozens times of it in a day. And I also want to point out that tomorrow will be the last day for 50% discount for Bounce Trader and for the course. So yeah, hopefully happy trading, you know, in your session and your journey. Thanks.